welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amy, and in today's video I'm going to be going over two websites that I use every day when I'm crafting. So I hope that you will find these as useful as I do, because I think they are must-know websites, and quite frankly I'm not sure that a lot of people know about it, which is why I'm going to make this video to hopefully get the word out there. So let's go ahead and jump right into them. Okay, so the first website that I find really useful is creativefabrica.com. Now, if you're not familiar with Creative Fabrica, this is a website where you can go and you can buy individual design files, or you can have a subscription to it. But basically, they're going to have fonts and backgrounds and graphics and everything you could possibly need for your crafting journey and for making things and everything like that. This is like a one-stop shop, if you will. And I'll pull up their website and kind of walk you through it. So you can go and you can see here where you can pick individual files and just buy one off and be like, I just want something, a one-time cutesy little pumpkin image. And you can buy that one pumpkin image. Or let's say you are an avid crafter and this is what you do for making maybe a little bit of money on the side. So you buy a lot of images. You can get a subscription to Creative Fabrica, and instead of buying each individual image where you see here where it says this one is $5, this is this price, this price, this price, it is then going to turn everything to a green check mark once you get a subscription. And then you can download as much as you want all the time for a set price. So the first month price is $1, and every month after that is $19. There is no contract, and this is the best part in my opinion, is that you get the commercial rights to use those images in other ways. So you can take the images that you're getting and put them on a tumbler or a mug and then sell that tumbler or that mug for your business. So it's really a great, in my opinion, the most bang for your buck that you could possibly get. I bought through Etsy, and that can get really expensive though, because if you're buying an image here or buying an image there, you'll easily exceed that $19 a month. So for me, it just made sense to go with the subscription fee, especially since I could cancel it and I got the commercial rights. But yeah, you guys, you check it out for yourself, see if it works for you and for your business. But the link is down below if you are interested in that. All right, guys, and the second website that I use all the time when I'm crafting is a background remover website. And I'm going to pull it up here just to show you. The website is www.remove.bg. And this is a great website I have found. So if I'm crafting on anything, let's say like a picture of somebody, I want to put a picture of someone on something, but there's a background behind them and I don't want the background. This is so good at being able to upload that, and it just automatically takes it away. So you don't have to have a fancy program like Photoshop or anything else to remove the background. You can just use this, take the image, take the picture that you want, put it up there. It takes away the unnecessary background, and now you have a workable picture to put on your product. So again, I find this completely awesome, and it's free to use. So you can't beat that. So I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Again, if you're interested in that Creative Fabrica, the link is listed in the description area down below. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I have it and I think it's awesome. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching.